Good morning, friend. Welcome once again to Nonna Tetta's kitchen. This is Elenia, and we have Antonella. This morning we're gonna make Bocconotti. Okay, it's a recipe my mom used to bake, and to start, I'm gonna give them the ingredients.
Okay.
That's we need 8 eggs separate. About 3 cups of flour.
With a hole in the middle of it.
150 grams of sugar and 230 butter.
Good job.
Melted.
Grams,
Yes. And so let's begin.
Okay.
We separate our eggs. The white goes into one bowl.
Oh, I don't know if you want my help.
I was thinking the same thing.
Should we try?
No, I'm not even gonna risk it for the biscuit.
No, because if it goes the yellow eggs goes into the white,
We gotta restart.
you have to restart. That's right, Elenia.
Oh, okay, so you put the yellow egg in the flour?
Yes.
Okay, so the yellow egg goes into the flour bowl with the hole in the center of it.
This is
With the holes for the egg. And when are we at? I may be done.
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that number 6 or number
We gotta do 6, 7 next.
one more.
Okay.
Ooh.
What?
That was close.
Okay. Now,
Okay,
We got that.
Garbage.
We got that. We got
Here we
that.
go, babe.
We got that.
thank you.
Okay, what's next?
Okay. We put this away for the filling.
Okay, so what is
A
this?
teaspoon
This is the sugar?
of salt.
Teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle it around.
What's
And
this?
this just a pinch.
Of
Of
what?
what?
If you want your eggs to be more red or whatever.
It's called Deze.
Okay.
Egg yellow soften this.
Okay. Put the sugar.
All of it? Okay.
So all we're taking. Oh,
She didn't put all of it. Half of it.
okay, so half of it was sprinkled around.
It's about it's about 230 grams. Okay.
Well, you guys didn't even think about bringing me one.
Oh, we only have 2 of these cups, so it was not physically possible to begin with.
Wow. Okay, so I see how it is.
So now we spoon and mix and stir all the sugar, the egg,
And the butter.
and the butter
We're
and the
making-
coloring.
We're making pasta frolla.
What?
It's one kind of dough.
It's a type of dough.
Okay.
What's that, Nona?
That's flour. More flour.
You know, you don't put the whole flours, so you put it a little bit at a time,
The
just in
pocket.
case. There we go.
Where did she step?
Now,
Where did
can
she
you
step?
see me now?
We can see.
The counter, it's a little bit too high.
There's a reason
And
for
my
it.
drawer.
Sorry.
What is that? It's you.
I closed the microwave.
Good thing you didn't want no noise.
Mama, slap the microwave.
Antonella.
What are you doing, Nona?
Here we go.
We're
What's
kneading the
done?
dough.
This is done.
So, okay, but like, explain what it looks like and what it's supposed to feel like.
Here, nice and soft. See?
Okay.
But solid.
Show
because you-
them.
Oh.
So it's nice and soft and solid. You can put your
Can
fingers
you
through
put
it.
some saran wrap.
It's kinda
or even
greasy.
A little bag.
It doesn't have anything to do with it.
It has to
Now,
be, that's
she
all
puts
over my
it-
lap.
In a long caterpillar type
I
of
didn't understand.
shape.
Here we go. We just wrap
And
it.
now she wraps it in
And
saran
we put
wrap.
in the fridge for half an hour,
Half an hour,
10,
45?
50, yeah.
Okay, so it goes in the fridge for 35, 45 minutes.
Now we go to the next steps. We making the filling. This is 260 grams of sugar.
Nonna, you're like my height.
Almost, I know. Stop growing. And we have 2 cups of almonds flour.
Almond flour.
It's like it looks like
And she pours it into the bowl with the
sugar.
We have about 100 grams of grated chocolate.
What type of chocolate did you use?
Milk chocolate and dark chocolate.
Milk and dark.
Yes.
Cocoa powder?
4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2, 3, and 4. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And
Lemon?
about 1 good lemon grated. This is for the next step.
So you take half of it.
We mix everything.
Oh! It looks so good!
Okay.
Oh my god, chocolate.
Okay, stop eating the ingredients that we need.
I better make it not poisonous.
Yeah.
We can have an extra one. Okay. Now,
Now what?
in the big bowl, okay, we gonna mount the egg white.
What do you mean mount?
We're gonna have like a meringue, but without sugar. Okay, and now it looks beautiful. It's egg white with nothing on it. That can
They don't
be
taste
so
like honey.
Okay,
Okay.
now
Oh, into the pot.
gradually
This looks
we get.
fantastic. Why haven't you made this?
They're really good.
They look
It's
fantastic.
It's like my one of my child favorite cookie too. And but Nona makes so much stuff that
He is lost in the vault. This vault.
What's like the hardest thing you've ever made in your entire life?
Wow, I don't know.
Everything's easy.
You just have to be very patient when you make it the first time, because you don't know how things work out. But then more you make it, the more comfortable you are, and by the time nothing is out.
So where did the yellow eggs go?
In the dough.
Oh yeah, in the fridge. I was trying to remember if it was that bowl or this bowl. I didn't remember. Neither bowl. Okay. So this makes it look like it's a pudding almost. That's the best way I can explain what that looks like. We're not there yet with smooth consistency, but pretty getting there. Pretty much.
I think I want to put up maybe another.
Oh, it is kind of like pudding, and like when you move it, it like goes back to like the original place.
Quarter of a.
So quarter of almond flour again.
Yes.
Quarter of a cup.
Oh yeah, this is your job, not mine.
You don't grab the spatula like you grab your spoon.
Okay.
You grab this way. So you see.
Sorry.
Don't be
So
sorry.
I didn't know that. I didn't even know that.
Nona, just trying to teach you.
Thank you. This is what the whole YouTube channel is for. Cooking with Antonetta.
Nonna
Antonietta.
Tetta.
Or Nonna Tetta. Nonna Tetta.
And get the dough.
Oh my god, the dough's ready?
Was that 30 minutes?
No, that wasn't even close to 30 minutes.
It's fine, honey. I inherited this. They're about 50 years old. I mean, they're very, very, very old. Okay, and when we live in Italy, We used to use it in the wooden oven all the time, so that's why they look dark. But there we go. Now, what we do is this. Either we put butter, but I prefer to do this way. It's way faster.
This is
okay?
non-stick.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now explain what you did to the dough. What you did to in the fridge.
We kept it in the fridge just to do slow. See?
How
Now it's not so
it's hard.
malleable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now what?
We
Do you
roll
need
it a
this?
bit.
Do you want me and Nella to do one?
No.
Yes.
let her do it.
No, you can do it. Yeah.
See, Nella?
Here, honey.
There's no room.
What are you doing? Are you just kneading it? You're just rolling it and clumping it. Oh my god, I wasn't ready.
Smells like lemon.
Wow.
Okay.
So
We
you just.
put a piece and we just.
Oh, okay.
Wait, mine's breaking. Did yours just break like this?
No.
It's because of the butter, honey.
I'll let you cut it. I'm too scared to.
Here we go.
What?
Well,
Just cut them in pieces.
I'm gonna break something.
You don't
No.
break nothing. Here we go. I give you what to do.
Okay. So this is just like a miniature, like if you were to really think about it,
Tart.
a mini pie. Or tart, sure.
Also, if you no, what should we say to the viewers if they don't have a container like this at home? What should they use?
Yeah.
I suggest you go to the store like, I mean, you know. You know, this store doesn't seem very much.
You think you need more? This is very thick. Does
Yeah,
that
no,
matter?
mine's like actually
So
very
yeah,
thick
that's
in
why
there.
you use your tongue. Look, you go up. See?
And then you just rip it?
See? And then you go with
Okay.
this. Look.
Yeah.
That
See?
works with me.
And it look nice and finished.
Mm-hmm.
You see that?
Thank you.
Spray all of them.
Sorry, Nona. I just sprayed her.
It's
look
good
at
for me.
look at my crust.
Then nice job.
Thank you. Where are you going?
No place.
I just wanted to be seen.
Want to say hi to the viewers?
Huh?
Do you want to say hi to the viewers?
No.
No.
That's very nice.
What is black on my hands that's getting in there?
The shit on the tin.
I'm gonna wash your mouth with soap.
Have you not heard your own son?
He's not doing this. He's not even close. I don't
That's
know
where
why
she gets
you
it from.
And you. Oh boy.
I'm not potty mouth.
be nice to one another. No, this is not done right, my friend. This when you go out, it will break because there is no dough.
Oh.
I wasn't looking at you.
Okay, do we need to turn on the oven yet?
Yes.
Okay, to what? Oh my gosh, there's a whole lasagna in there. There's a whole lasagna.
Well, didn't I tell you it's lasagna okay for lunch? I did tell you.
Okay, bake. 350.
50.
Start. Okay.
Okay.
Now a piping bag.
Okay. I think we need to open it a little bit more, otherwise we're going to be here till tomorrow. We're not going to have it be wasted. Okay. These are really good. It's like having like a little tart, but with the brownie inside. one tray.
So how long do we have them in for, Nona?
Is it
Until you will be.
okay? So it was probably about half an hour.
It's
Well, we raised the temperature because we have other food cooking in there. So 350
yeah.
for probably 25, 35 minutes.
Yeah, 40 minutes.
40 minutes maximum. So we're
But
about
you
to.
have to keep an eye on the oven because every oven is different.
Yeah. So we're about to pull them out to show you what they look like. They look delicious.
They smell delicious. Nona.
Smells good.
Yeah, of course it does. Is this one of the ones that you do like a toothpick type test too, or no?
No.
Then how do you know when it's ready?
If they're not ready, the dough, this will stick to your finger.
Okay, so it's like
It's
like a muffin.
they're solid.
No, what was this called again?
Bocconotti.
Bocconotti. So obviously they're still in the tin, and then we'll get you a photo of it without the tin. They're a little too hot to kind of show you, but you have, you know, that type of consistency. I hope you can understand
Oh,
that.
Nella,
type of
she got it
consistency.
without the tin.
Slow down.
This is it without the tin. This is one of my favorite recipes Nona's done, personally, so I rate this probably like a 8.5 out of 10.
It's a pretty high score.
Even this is too hot. It come apart.
So the moral of the story is wait.
We're impatient.
Here we go. You see? It's like a brownie inside.
Yeah, it legit is. Oh, that's a wonderful thing. Like our Costco 2-bite brownies, that's the top and then the middle is gooey.
Mm-hmm.
Well, somewhat gooey.
What do you rate it?
How are they?
Mm-hmm. Like, I'm not a big chocolate person, but it's not. It's not. It's
sweet.
so. Yeah, it's not very. Not sweet at all. And you taste a lot of the almond
Of course.
almond
it's
flour
there.
in there. Thank you
Thank you.
for teaching us how to make bocconotti.
Thank you for keeping me company.
No, I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and in all honesty, it only took us about an hour. I would say total cook time for everything to kind of get done, hour and 15. So something super, super simple.
And here are your bocconotti. Now, what we do is sprinkle before
we're
you
not
start.
Icing sugar.
Icing
Ah, wonderful idea. Icing sugar on top. We're not doing that. Oh.
sugar. Okay.
Just so icing sugar can go on top. Oh, she's gonna do it.
We're gonna do it anyways.
Well, let me have a bite here, anyways. So it does kind of separate because there's nothing to keep it together, but
No,
it
it
doesn't
won't
matter. It's good.
Thank you very, very much to join us and wait for our next video.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next week on Sunday. I hope you liked this one.
And teachers,
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video.
thank you.
Turn on your post notifications.
Yeah, why not? We're awesome.
Say
Bye, guys.
Now my tummy hurts. He's in love with her, but for what it's worth, they make beautiful babies and raise them up to be a couple of bleeping monsters, like the mother and the father. Eventually, turning 43, someone is gonna hurt you like your daddy hurt. I don't know. Me, I'm beatboxing.
You missed it though.